Hello everybody, so we're making some alien cupcakes tonight. So Brian is here helping me. Kids are going to be decorating these. As you can see, I did my nails. They're kind of looking like little aliens. I frost all these and I'll show you in a minute what they look like. Okay, so we're back and these are our little aliens. And I think they turned out really cute. So they are going to frost the rest of the cupcakes and they're going to decorate their little spaceships, and it's too cute. I just love how this turned out. The boys are
making cupcakes. Alien cupcakes.
Alien cupcakes. So he's mixing his frosting, and Brody has some frosting here. They have some candies right there to make their spaceships.
And eat.
Get over how adorable these turned out. We just have these little cups, little candies they decorated for their little spaceships, and then Jason's working on his. We have one more needs to be decorated. How fun are those? Pretty cute. Not perfect aliens, but you get the idea. That is what we made. Those are our little alien spaceship cupcakes. Really turned out adorable. So perfect for Halloween or anytime. Just really cute. So anyways, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.